Hey yo, what is up? My name is Ishan. You're probably busy, which is perfect because on this channel, we like to keep things short and sweet. No fluff, just quick and to the point. So in the next few minutes, we're going to be going over whether it's the perfect time to be buying Virgin Galactic stock after it's down 30% from its recent highs in July. And we're also going to be doing a little quick technical analysis at the end. So make sure you've subscribed because not only is it my birthday and I'm putting out this banger of a video, but unlike any other YouTuber, we keep our videos short and to the point so you don't have to waste 10 to 20 minutes of your time. So make sure you've subscribed and let's clock in. Just before we start the video, I did make a video on the top 3 stocks to buy in the dip now, which one of them is up over 10% since I made that video only a few days ago. So make sure you check that out because these aren't your generic stocks that everyone talks about and have super high growth ahead. So check it out, link down below and on my channel. So Virgin Galactic has been falling for multiple reasons. The first being a larger than expected loss in their earnings report. They reported a loss of 30 cents a share for the quarter, missing the estimate of 26 cents a share and no revenue, which was pretty much expected. But what really triggered the fall was when they also announced that they weren't going to be flying Richard Branson into space until Q1 of 2021. This would be missing their goal of doing it this year. Richard Branson was going to be their first actual real customer that was going to be flying into space. And if he's not going to be flying until 2021, that means we can expect them to not launch their full commercial business until 2021, meaning also no revenue, nada, until 2021 as well. Lastly, on top of that, they plan to sell at least 23.6 million shares of common stock to boost their working capital at $19.50 a share, which will add more liquidity but at the same time dilute shareholders. So all of this combined has essentially been a catalyst for sending the stock lower. So now that you know why the stock has been falling, should you buy? Well, let's take a look at the facts and the numbers. Space tourism will be a $3 billion market by 2030, and UBS expects the broader space industry, which is worth about $400 billion today, will double to $805 billion by 2030. If you're buying this stock today, you're not buying based on today's news, today's financials, you're buying based on what it could be. And so it's certainly a gamble, it's a spec play. But not only is Virgin Galactic the leader in the space, they have great management with their new CEO who's bringing a great experience from Disney, which will allow them to build a solid customer experience, and not to mention obviously Richard Branson. But the company also has a strong balance sheet now that it's raised a significant amount of capital, and so I believe Virgin Galactic is the very definition of a high growth stock. They're only 2 FAA approvals away from being able to start commercially flying, which makes them the front runners to capture a huge market share and become a leader in the space, pun intended. In fact, as of their last earnings report, they had received over 600 deposit payments, and the fact that only 550 people have ever been to space makes it more exclusive, attractive, and rare to fly with Virgin Galactic. Not everyone can say they've been to space, and in fact, ARK Investment, who is notorious for their $6,000 or $12,000 price target on Tesla, whatever it is, have also begun taking a position in Virgin Galactic. And so I believe that the long-term outlook is still intact. And then the industry everyone forgets to talk, which is high-speed travel. High-speed travel via outer space will be a $20 billion market. This is a huge opportunity for Virgin Galactic as well as something many people forget. Down the road in the next 20-30 years, this could be something that could rival the airline industry and potentially even replace it. But I'll admit, it is going to be a long shot for them to pull this off. Even the Wall Street Journal has described it by saying it remains an ultra long shot for which there isn't even a tentative time horizon. And I completely agree with that. There will be a lot of challenges, especially with getting rid of the sonic boom, which they're actually working on with a company called Boom. This could definitely be really huge for them if they can end up pulling off. And this is all based on if you're buying the stock on what it could be in the next 10-15 years, then only it makes sense to buy in and invest in it. Looking at the technicals, it's got a support in the 16.3 area, which if it turns into support, I would definitely be looking to pick up a small number of shares. But if it breaks that, the low 15s to high 14s is where I would be looking to add a nice chunk of shares. So make sure you subscribe because we're so close to 1,000 subscribers and it would be sick to hit it on my birthday today. So make sure you subscribe, like, let me know down below what you guys think about Virgin Galactic. ARK Investment has begun buying it, which gives me some confidence. So make sure you do all that good stuff and I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy. Peace.